Hello everyone, welcome to the Friday review, and today I'm going to do my review on the Gmyle multi-channel Bluetooth keyboard with the docking station. Gmyle, I requested to review this from Gmyle because I already have a keyboard of theirs that is similar. It is this one. They fairly are the same exact keyboard, except this one is a little bit updated to support two different devices. That was one major complaint that I had with this one, is that there wasn't two channels or three channels to pair this with different devices. I will do a video about this one too, a review on this one, since I haven't made a video review on this one. And also maybe a video comparing these two back and forth. But today I want to talk about this one. So overall, you get your full size keyboard with a smaller numeric pad and a touchpad that I don't really use. I have seen complaints about that it doesn't really register the touch correctly, but I don't use that, so I don't have no need to even use that. We have all your quick action keys up here as the function keys. And then to access like escape, F1, you will have to click function and F1 if you want to use that in an Android or iOS. Don't really think they are used much, but if you pair this to like a Mac or a desktop, then you would have to use function and F7 to access the function key, because the presets are going to be almost the same on Mac and Windows up here too. The only major complaint that I have about this layout of the keyboard is the funky inner key. It's the only major complaint that I have with the keyboard layout itself. I don't know why, I just can't get used to that inner key. It throws me off when typing. I've actually typed most of my reviews on this keyboard and the other keyboard that I post on the website. So I don't normally use a computer anymore to type reviews and different things. I just use it on my iPad Pro. Speaking of the iPad Pro, if you want to use this with the iPad Pro, it works perfectly fine with it like this, with the landscape. But if you have it in portrait, that's a different story. The keyboard, the iPad Pro is more heavier, and it will flip the keyboard over. But if you use it horizontally, it works great. And this is what I've been using with my iPad Pro as a keyboard until the time I get able to get either keyboard case or some type of official iPad Pro case to use the smart connector on the bottom. But overall, it's a great keyboard. I've got it to last. It takes about 2 hours to charge. I've got it to last easily almost almost a full month without having to charge. Charging was kind of funky on it for some reason. The indicator light's supposed to turn off whenever it's charged. I had some issues with that, with not it turning. It just kept staying red for some reason. But that's all past that. It's now been working like it should. Up here in the corner, this is where you can see you got the power button and the switch to go to Bluetooth 1 or 2 and connect it to the other device, where you don't have to pair it again and different things. Pairing this keyboard is super easy. Let's say you have it paired, you want to pair it. All you do is push the caps lock whenever you have it turned on. Because when you turn it on, you will see the red button turn on, the red light turn on for the battery, indicating it's turned on. And then all you do is push the caps lock and it would put it in discovery mode. That's simple. So I'm going to switch it over to Bluetooth to this. So right when you first turn the key, switch over to, or actually right when you open the box and turn the keyboard on, it will automatically put it in discovery mode. So then you can connect to it. So when that's not going to work, I just go over here to this one, to channel 1, and actually push the Bluetooth button, and then instantly whenever you see the A turn on, that means it's in discovery mode. And then let's just turn it off. You got your power port right here. It's a micro USB. They include that. And surprisingly, it's actually a white cable that they include, which is kind of neat. On the bottom, you have 6 rubber feet, so that means the keyboard will not slide whenever you are typing. It will stay still. Typing on the keyboard isn't that loud, actually. It's just going to be like a normal, sort of like a laptop keyboard. But how I type, it's loud either way on it. On any kind of keyboard, it's loud how I type. And this is like a silicone rubber dock right here, so it won't scratch your device up or anything, and different things. So overall, I would recommend this keyboard to anyone that does a lot of typing on their tablet, to get this, because this is a really, really nice keyboard. I know Logitech makes one that's similar, and I've always wanted it, because I always did do typing on my tablets. I've always wanted the Logitech one, but I just never got around to buying it. It never really crossed my mind afterwards, after I got like a Bluetooth and smaller Bluetooth keyboard. When I seen this from Gmyle, I was like, why don't we give it a try? So overall, it's a really nice keyboard. Actually, one of my favorite Bluetooth keyboards that I've ever reviewed. It was actually, the other model was my favorite. But this one is such a much better buy. For the extra, I think it's a difference of $10. It's well worth it. The design on this one was kind of awkward. I think it was maybe damaged a little bit in shipping, because uphill the plastic is kind of warped for some reason. Not really sure about that, and sometimes you can actually the touchpad actually lifts up a little bit, so I have to push it down. Don't always have to do that, but I think it was actually damaged in shipping, but it still functions correctly, so it's not that big of a deal. So overall, I would really recommend getting this keyboard if you are looking for a keyboard for your tablet to type at home. For this being portable, it's really not portable, but it's a nice keyboard. I will leave the link down below and a coupon code where you can get 20% off of your first order from Gmyle.com. So take advantage of that. And I'll see you in the next one. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.